No.
Cheese.
No.
What are you eating?
I'm eating gravy and tastes chocolate.
What?
It's like chocolate, salt.
Yes,
What kind of chicken are you
to
eating?
the chicken gravy. Okay?
You are eating
I'm
Jollibee
eating
chicken.
Jollibee chicken.
Dipping it in gravy.
Dipping in gravy.
Okay, try it. See it's good or not.
It's good. Now it's all done for recording. Let's watch a video.
No, let's try the glazed one. Let's try the other sauce. That's balsamic vinegar sauce.
I'm so sad. I know.
You don't want to try the balsamic vinegar sauce? It's delicious. Try it.
What it tastes like? Oh, what yucky! It tastes like blaze pizza sauce.
You don't
I don't like it.
Oh, you
It's
like the
very
gravy?
yucky.
Oh, do you like the gravy better?
Now it's ready.
Do you like the gravy
I
better?
need to eat.
Is it delicious?
Yes, please. Now it went. Let's watch something. Okay.
Ooh, very crunchy. Is it crunchy?
It's how making that sound. Like, what's that? I need to watch. I don't hear